visitors at Incarnate Word. It is a 53 nature sanctuary here in the heart of Texas. And the mission of these headwaters is to make sure that we preserve the natural species, preserve the native species and native plants, native trees, and we remove the aggressive and non-native species. We'd like to invite you to do the same because we are here sharing our own ecological system. And so if you can do the same, make sure that you plant native species and native plants in your garden, and make sure that you remove the aggressive plants and aggressive non-native. And by doing so, we make sure that our plants is a home to our native birds and our native insects and butterflies. They can thrive with all of this natural habitat. Thank you.